Hi! In front of me is OnePlus 11 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this OnePlus. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards and Keyboard. Finally, click on Theme section, scroll down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you're ready, click on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher. And save your theme by choosing Apply. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, just go into the same settings and tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, tap on one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those sources, like Downloads. Finally, pinch your photo to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and tap on Apply. If you want to delete one of your keyboards, just click on the chosen one. Tap on the spin icon next to keyboarders and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to edit one of your custom ones, just click on the one that you wish to edit, tap on this pen icon and make your changes. Then click on Save and tap on Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!